Hello and welcome to the Legacy Lost Radio and Music Paradise here in Volusia County, Florida. Thanks for subscribing and thanks for sharing. And we appreciate your time watching. Um, just wanted to give a quick overview and a quick plug. There's a Planet Surplus. It's a Army, Navy, electronic, etc. hardware surplus store located in New Smyrna Beach, Florida, right on Ridgewood Avenue, aka US 1, pretty close to the hospital and the where the FEC train place is, and a little bit south of there, and also near the CMEX plant there, and it's on the west side of US 1. Anyway, I just wanted to go over. I'm not opening this up, but I picked up this Andrew Comscope Type 204 989-5 grounding kit, and I believe this is to ground towers and masts. They have a couple of these in there and different other things, a bunch of electronic stuff, a bunch of antennas, but a lot of it I can't really use. It's TNC stuff. Have a couple grounding stakes still there. They have some the fishing pole style military antenna, so on and so forth. But this is a good deal for $4.95. You can find all sorts of stuff there: tactical gear, military stuff, whoopee blankets, sleeping bags, aircraft antennas, hardware, resistors, tubes, tube radios, AM, FM style, like old radios, and so on and so forth, resistors, capacitors. A lot of good stuff up there. So anyway, it's just a plug for Planet Surplus, again, over in New Smyrna. It's a good place to go. I like to go there about once a month or so, see what they got. And again, this is a pretty good deal. This is again, Andrew, I think they make Heliax Comscope 2, type 204 989-5. I don't know if you can see that grounding kit. So, $5, pretty heavy duty. I'll open it up. If I get another one, I like to keep it all intact here. So, anyway, if anybody ever used one of these before, feel free to comment, or if you need one, go check them out. They're just down the turnpike there, as they say. Please give us a thumbs up. Peace. Subscribe if you would, and we welcome any comments or discussion. Ham radio, Florida related, or shortwave, whatever it need be, CB, AM, FM, whatever floats your boat, basically, on the radio spectrum. And again, we do not ask for any donations. We're not asking you to buy anything off a Amazon store. This is not a plug to make money. We're not asking for donations. It's just something to do as a hobby. So anyway, give us a thumbs up. Peace. 73.